This video is for educational purposes only. It provides guidance on breastfeeding and breast pump use for new mothers. This content is not sexual or suggestive. Always follow safe practices when pumping and caring for your baby.
Hello, this is Milana. Welcome to this feeding session focused on ease and relaxation. Settle into a position where your body feels stable and supported. Let your spine rest naturally and allow your shoulders and jaw to relax. Take a slow breath in and a long, gentle breath out. Begin feeding mindfully. Move slowly and stay aware of how your body feels. There is no need to push or rush. Gentle movements support comfort. If you feel tension building anywhere in your body, bring your attention there and breathe softly into that area. Allow the tension to release gradually. This is a time to slow down. Feeding can be a peaceful pause in your day, offering a moment of care and calm. As the session ends, stay still for a few breaths. Notice how your body feels now, more relaxed, steady, and at ease.